Louis Vuitton's Fall, Winter 2025-26 collection was presented at Paris Fashion Week with a stunning stage design. Nicolas Ghesquière centered the season around the theme of travel, transporting the audience into a world that is both nostalgic and futuristic. The show was set in a Parisian train station-inspired environment. The stage featured large metal pillars reminiscent of old European railway stations, artistic lighting, and vintage train posters. The floor was covered in glossy stone tiles, creating a realistic station atmosphere. At the center of the runway stood a giant vintage Louis Vuitton trunk, symbolizing the brand's heritage of luxury travel. The music choices complemented the theme. The show started with slow-tempo, electronic instrumental pieces, gradually shifting to cinematic melodies with an increasing rhythm. As models walked the runway, their presence blended seamlessly with the ambience, creating the sensation of a timeless journey. This powerful opening paid tribute to Louis Vuitton's roots while simultaneously embracing the modern concept of travel. This season's collection showcases versatile designs, functionality-focused details, and innovative silhouettes. Ghesquière once again proved his mastery in drawing inspiration from the past to create designs that look toward the future. Color palette and fabric selection. The collection achieves a balanced harmony of warm and cool tones. Metallic silvers, deep blues, and pastel hues dominate the color scheme. The fabric choices include shiny vinyl, transparent organza, embossed leather, and cotton satin blends. Key pieces and silhouettes. Transparent rubber trench coats are among the standout pieces. These coats are waterproof yet breathable, making them both functional and stylish. Leather Bermuda shorts cater to those seeking sporty elegance. They are paired with oversized blazers to create a modern contrast. Layered ruffled skirts feature asymmetrical cuts and drapery, particularly in silver and midnight blue tones, giving them a contemporary aesthetic. Oversized cape coats evoke historical aristocratic fashion, but have been modernized with bold cuts. This collection seamlessly blends nostalgic elements with contemporary materials, offering a timeless approach to fashion. Nicolas Ghesquière was born in 1971 in France. He began his career interning at Agnes B and Jean-Paul Gaultier, later rising to prominence as the creative director of Balenciaga, where he revitalized the brand with innovative designs. His work led him to become the artistic director of Louis Vuitton's women's collections in 2013. Ghesquière is known for his futuristic cuts, structured silhouettes, and unconventional use of fabrics. His approach to fashion revolves around merging historical influences with modern technology to create a new visual language. In this collection, he has merged the elegance of historic travel fashion with the trends of the future, bringing a fresh perspective to Louis Vuitton's classic heritage. Founded in 1854, Louis Vuitton gained global recognition for its luxury travel trunks and leather goods. Today, the brand leads not only in handbags, but also in high fashion, accessories, and even tech-driven luxury products. One of the key strategies behind Louis Vuitton's success is its ability to merge luxury with innovation. By combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge production techniques, the brand consistently delivers unique and forward-thinking designs. Ghesquière's collections redefine Louis Vuitton's classic sophistication to appeal to a younger, more dynamic audience. The brand also engages with younger generations through collaborations with K-pop stars and contemporary cultural icons. This show masterfully represents Louis Vuitton's balance between its travel legacy and modern luxury aesthetics. Impact Louis Vuitton's brand fashion show attracted some of the biggest names in the industry. The front row was packed with Hollywood stars, fashion icons, and K-pop celebrities. One of the most talked about appearances on the runway was Stray Kids' Felix Lee. Felix is considered one of Louis Vuitton's muses, and his presence on the runway further solidified the collection's connection with younger audiences. Fashion critics responded positively to the collection. On social media, thousands of users praised Louis Vuitton's bold design direction. Oversized blazers and transparent trench coats became two of the most discussed pieces. This show reaffirmed that Louis Vuitton is not just a fashion brand, but also a major influencer in pop culture and youth trends. The Louis Vuitton Fall Winter 2025-26 collection delivered a bold fashion statement by merging past romance with modern details. The travel theme, innovative fabric choices, and Nicolas Ghesquière's timeless design philosophy came together to create an unforgettable collection. This show could be remembered as a turning point in fashion history, as it seamlessly bridges Louis Vuitton's heritage with a vision for the future. 45,143